Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super cute subscription box unboxing. If you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so that way you don't miss out on another video. Alright, so this is probably the second or third time that I've tried filming this video. I did like a chit chat, get ready with me, and I talked about like what's been going on with me and my channel. If you want to watch that, I will link it up here. I think it's on this side or this side. I think it's this side. All right, so this subscription box service, it's Glamour Ghoul box, and I'll leave all the information down below. If you want to buy like the box one time, you can. This company has really cute themes, like they have if you're into like spooky stuff. So they had one, I think right now she's going to do a Krampus box. She did one for Hellraiser, Addams Family. She did one for the movie Craft or The Craft. She did one for Nightmare Before Christmas. But this one I just could not say no because it was for Labyrinth. And if you don't know what Labyrinth is, then I guess I'm really old. But it's just a really old like 80s movie that I grew up watching in the 90s, and I bought the movie a couple months ago because I saw it at Target and it was $5, so I grabbed it. And they had like a special collector's edition that was $20, but I was like, no, I love Labyrinth, but not that much. Or should I say I love David Bowie, but not that much. He did an excellent job. He like executed that role so perfectly. So back to Glamour Ghoul box. A lot of the brands are very indie and everything is cruelty free. I'm on the brand's Instagram and it says cruelty free indie cosmetics, bath and skincare, horror/gothic goodies by small businesses, which I really like that she is supporting and trying to get indie names and small brands out there because I love supporting small brands. So if you know me, you know that. Getting into the box finally. Sorry, I just talked too much. All right, so it comes with this card right here, and that is her logo. It's so cute, right? And so it says what's in the box, and it tells you everything that's in the box, obviously, and the brand. So if you like a product, you can refer to this card. It's going to take you to their Instagram or website, and you can just buy more of it. Let's do like the paper goods. So it says there is a sticker from Bright Bat Designs. So let me see. Yeah, okay, so it's this one. Isn't it so cute? I still cannot get over the cuteness of this box, even though I've done this video several times. But anyways, it is the little worm. Isn't it so cute? It says, our stickers are designed with thought and drawn with heart. These special edition stickers are made on glossy vinyl and ready to give your sticker a long life on any clean and dry surface. These high quality stickers are weatherproof. It's the little worm that she meets when she first starts the labyrinth, or like kind of gets into it a little bit. And he says, hello, come inside and have a nice cup of tea. I know that was bad, but that's how he sounds. But it's so cute, look at that. Isn't it so cute? A Goblin King vinyl decal from Build Your Empire. So here is Jareth, and there is a silhouette of the Goblin King, and from what I'm seeing on the back side is the, I don't even know what that painting is called. It's not a painting, it's a drawing of some sort, but it's like all these stairs and they go all kinds of different directions and upside down and all kinds of ways, and it's just really interesting. But I don't know if you guys can see it. I can turn it this way. It really doesn't matter which way I turn it, but that is a part of the movie where she's at the very end and she finds Toby. Like finally she sees her baby brother, and they're in this little thing and she's trapped in this thing trying to reach him. So anyways, you'll have to watch the movie to understand this box. Such a good movie. I don't know where this is a magnet. So that is Jennifer Connelly, and that is Sarah, and then of course David Bowie, and that's Jareth the Goblin King, and it's a cute little magnet. But this is my favorite part from the whole movie. Like I will rewind and watch like the ball scene just because I love these vibes. It's like a masquerade, and I freaking live for masquerades, and so that's like my favorite part. It doesn't say, so I don't know if it's from Build Your Empire or if it's from Bright Bat Designs. Okay, let's see. Let's do the soap. So there is this Goblin Fruit Soap from Rebel Rouge Labs. It smells really nice and fruity, just like it says. And that's the packaging right there. Super cute. And let's slide this off so that way y'all can see what the soap looks like. It's like a swirly soap of red, orange, or really yellow, because yellow and red make orange. So there's just black and red and yellow all swirled in there. It smells really fruity. It smells nice. Let's get on to this one, because this one, I'm still not ever going to warm up to it. This smell goes perfectly with the movie. Like, it's hard to describe, but it says the ingredients are water, geranium, clove, and cinnamon. I'm not a huge fan of clove, so that's why I don't like it. But this is the Goblin King perfume from Unofficial Natural Fandom Fragrances. And it says to shake well before each use. So that's why I've been sitting here trying to shake it and trying to figure out what do I want to spray. So I know with fragrances, it can be a little bit tricky because if you spray it on paper, it could smell different than when you spray it on your skin. But I don't want to spray it on my skin because it's only like what? It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so I don't want to be smelling this like all day. Still shaking this, I know. All right, so we're ready to spray it, and it comes in a bottle like this. I believe this is probably what, like 2 ounces or something, or 1.5 ounces. I'm not sure. I probably could have sprayed my hands because I could just wash that. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna spray it on the back of my hand and see if it smells any different, like on the paper versus on the back of my hand. So the mist is nice. I'll show you guys the mist. Like, if I put, golly, I cannot stand clove. Oof, it reminds me of like this, like if you've ever smelled, I think it's a cinnamon flavored or some type of like Copenhagen dip or snuff or skull or whatever that is, like that weird tobacco smell behind it. That's what clove reminds me of, and I don't like it. And so that's what this smell reminds me of. But it is very Jareth, very Labyrinth feeling vibes. So I totally get the ingredients behind this spray. It's just the clove just ain't cutting it. But anyways, it's in this spray bottle. Okay, now the last product, but certainly, okay, whatever. The last product is gonna be this bath bomb from Pop Natural. Looks like that. This is actually the like giant charm or whatever around Jareth's neck. I don't know if he's wearing it the whole time because he has like this really low cut, like flowy top, so it kind of gets in the way and it covers it a little bit. So you have to be like really paying attention to be able to notice this. I don't even call it, I don't even want to call it like a medallion, a charm, or whatever this thing is called. Anyways, so isn't it so cute? But you do see it whenever he's doing the song, You Remind Me of the Babe, or whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, but it smells good. It smells like peaches. Okay, so interesting fact about this right here. The maker, Pop Natural, she didn't have a set mold for this. So I think she probably made this like handmade. She handmade and put all this together, I think, because she said she didn't have a mold and that very limited boxes got this design and the rest of the boxes just got like a round or either like a square block like this, some type of bath bomb shape like that. But she was like, these were taking up too much time. They were cute, but I don't have a mold. And so unfortunately, if you're lucky enough to get this one, you get it. And if you don't, you know, she apologized for it. So I really don't want to use this because I'm a huge collector, especially when it comes to things that I like. I'm kind of scared because the packaging has a hole in it, like right here, and I don't want it to like eventually deteriorate, or with the humidity here in Austin or like in this house even, because there's not a fan in here and I don't know where to keep this. I don't want to put it in the bathroom and then it's just going to start like melting where the humidity kind of just like eats it away, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I could be wrong, but that's just how I'm thinking that might happen to this. So I got to find a nice like cool, dry place to put this in and make sure it's not going to get damaged or whatever. If you sign up for their emails, I think they still send you a 13% off coupon your first purchase. If you follow them, every once in a while they'll post their 13% off coupon. If you kind of don't want to sign up for their emails and stuff, just watch for the code. This box will pay for itself. I'm going to leave all the information down below. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.